Okay, we are going to take a look at our worm and wheel mechanism. So this is our worm and wheel. Right down here, we have our worm, and this is technically our wheel, even though it's a very small gear. I think it's about a 24 tooth gear. You have two gussets that are going to start this holding in place, along with our bearing flats and our spacers and our shaft collars. And then our wheel portion is going to be extended out using our spacers and held back here with a shaft collar. All right, so I'm going to turn this, and I want you to just watch the gear. It's kind of hitting the metal a little bit, so I wish it was a little taller, but if you notice, this gear is only moving very slowly, and that is because this is the slowest mechanism that we use. It's the slowest mechanism possible. Okay, also watch what happens when I change the input from over here up here. Ready? If you can tell, the wheel does not move at all. So therefore this means, or sorry, not the wheel, the worm does not move at all, which means this is not a reversible mechanism. All the other ones we talked about are reversible, and this one is not, which means the input and the output cannot be changed. And that is because if you make the input the wheel, it does not turn the worm, whereas if you make the input turning of the worm, it will turn the wheel. Okay, so this is for slow mechanisms, which is great to use with our simple gear train and also a windmill system. So this is our worm and wheel.